Hello everyone, it's your boy Super Coop here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you my dad's product, the RV Bidet, and when it's installed, how to use it. We already have another video on how to install it, link in the description, and I'm just going to show you how to use it. So, if you want to go rear, you change the settings to right here, rear, it's pointing to rear, and then you can go from low to high. I am gonna just start it, and then that's low, and then it can go higher. And then if you wanna go front, then you can just change the settings to front right here. Point the arrow until you hear the click, and then low to high. And then if you just want to clean the toilet, then you can do this. And it fills the toilet up with water. Well, thank you guys for watching. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe and buy our product. Thank you.